Claire Johnson here, and today I'll be giving you an exclusive property and neighborhood tour of the coveted community, The Preserve. The name says it all. This community has an exceptional reputation for being well-maintained and well-kept, with all the desirable amenities and the perfect location. This community is located on Anastasia Island, less than 1 mile to the St. Augustine Beach Pier. Enjoy island life living while still having privacy, easy access to US 1, and a 10-minute drive to downtown St. Augustine. As for the amenities, the Preserve offers a secure, gated entrance, an outdoor pool, updated fitness room, basketball court, community playground, clubhouse, and lovely walking trails. The Preserve was built in 2000 and has several floor plans, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms to fit your needs. Only 3 out of the 9 possible floor plans are ground floor units without stairs, and I have one of them actively listed. 37113 Harbour Vista Circle is 1,305 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 full bath, with an open living kitchen concept, a separate laundry room, plenty of storage, and a screened-in patio. All of this while still living on the island, offered at a purchase price of $325,000. This is one of the very few communities on Anastasia Island that you don't have to sacrifice price for location. Instead, you can have it all.